Hey, good morning. And today is Tuesday, March the 5th, and we're right at the middle part of Pisces. And the tarot card that that goes to is the Nine of Cups. That's that in the traditional tarot, it's that robust, rotund dude sitting on a bench with the nine cups behind him. So is he an innkeeper, a host? But it's where you just recognize the universality of your virtues and your values and how you can lean into not that you deserve the prosperity, but that you've worked for it and that it's a part of just the paying things forward and seeing how it comes back. And Saturn has just moved into the middle degrees of Pisces and will be there for at least a good year or so. So, what that means is we're all being tested with that kind of do I deserve things. And that's a kissing cousin of Christian original sin. Now, this being generational astrology, I did not talk about Uranus and Scorpio from the video from before, and that would hit people from about 1975 to 1982. So they're bridging this gap between the Uranus and Libra generation that speaks to the let's redefine marriage. Let's make marriage individual, where one individual plus another individual equals the third entity of the relationship. I mean, how many times have you met a couple and you like them individually, but together you go like, no bueno. That's part of that third entity, the Libran energy of each couple, right? And that can happen between parents and children. I mean, anytime that there's two, wherever two are gathered, the third, I'm there too. Okay, there's the Christian Jesus Christ consciousness, which all he's saying is that we all have a higher self. We all have a deeper, inclusive self that we blend with others. And it starts with the interpersonal relationship. Yes, let's breathe. So the Uranus and Scorpio, seductive as fuck. So Scorpio is the sign of ginger. It's a water sign, it's a public water sign, but it likes to keep its privacy going on at the same. It's sort of like Cuba, the public and private, the non-governmental organizations. That's a whole nother video. The point that I'm making here is that Uranus and Scorpio generational astrology, you're all here to teach us that gender fluidity. You know how many times, whether you're male or female or non-binary, did you lean into one side of that polarity in order to secure the resources? Now, women, I think biological women or those of us who identify with the yin, it is Kuan Yin after all, not Kuan Yang, who identify more with the feminine receptive understand these energetic principles. Understand, the mild answer turns away rage, or where you recognize the common good, or you assuage other people's egos, where you just don't go there. There is an openness without defensiveness. So those 1975 to 82, okay, synthetic sentiment, you're inspired this, you and your partner. Uh, your generation is here to really get us in the moment to share our resources, whether they're financial, emotional, sexual, mental, intellectual, spiritual. This is Quan out, and happy Saturn in Pisces.